Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can create an AI presenter video using the ChatGPT and DeepBrain AI Studio. Let's begin. Step 1. Go to this URL or click on the link in the video description and create a trial account. Step 2. Log into the dashboard and click on ChatGPT. Step 3. Write a topic or a question and select a template. Then click on Create your video with ChatGPT. This will make a presentation video from the content generated by ChatGPT. Here you can view the scenes created. Step 4. Modify the generated scenes to your liking. First, let's change the AI avatar. There are several avatars with various nationalities and languages. You can choose different AI avatar for each scenes or apply same avatar to all the scenes. You may delete some scenes, edit the generated text, or add new scenes. You can also modify the background image and the text style to your liking. Step 5. Export the output as a video or audio. While it's loading, like this video, and subscribe to this channel to explore the amazing world of AI tools. Now, here's the output video.
AI avatars are digital representations of individuals that use artificial intelligence to communicate and interact with humans. They simulate human-like responses and can assist individuals in tasks ranging from customer support to personal shopping.
As technology advances, AI avatars will become more sophisticated and capable of performing complex tasks such as financial planning and medical diagnosis. They will also become more human-like, with the ability to recognize emotions and respond appropriately.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about amazing AI tools.